Okay, what we have here is a '09 Smart Car Brabus. And we're gonna do an oil change. And you can see here, this oil drain bolt, these are been reportedly really difficult to get off.
Uh-oh!
So I'm gonna show you how I've been able to get it off. So this is a 24 millimeter wrench. Take the close end, put it on here. If it's already a little beat up, you can just take your hammer, tap it on, and then we're just going to strike the bottom of the wrench here. And that's it. That pops it right loose. And then we're going to use one hand to keep the wrench on there nice and square. And then we're just going to bop this guy a few times in the bottom here, and that should snap it loose. And there it goes. And she's free. Just like that.
Bon voyage!